Beneath the waves and hidden from our everyday view, a powerful force is quietly brewing, and it could make headlines at any moment. Scientists now believe that the Axial Seamount, a massive underwater volcano located about 300 miles off the Oregon coast and nearly a mile beneath the Pacific's surface, is on the verge of erupting before the end of 2025. But here's where it gets controversial. Why are so few people talking about this imminent natural event when it's all but certain? The Axial Seamount isn't just another volcano. It holds the title of the most active in the entire Pacific Northwest. Stretching along the Juan de Fuca Ridge, it has already erupted multiple times in recent decades, with major eruptions logged in 1998, 2011, and most recently in 2015. Experts like William Chadwick, a geophysicist from Oregon State University, are closely tracking the volcano's behavior. He points out, given the current rate of inflation of the seafloor, I fully expect Axial to erupt by the end of this year. Now, you might be wondering, what does inflation mean here? Simply put, the seafloor above the volcano is swelling, a clear indicator that magma is churning and pushing its way upward. If you picture inflating a balloon until it pops, you get the idea. What makes this spot even more unique is that it hosts the world's very first underwater volcano observatory. Scientists from both Oregon State University and the University of North Carolina at Wilmington are constantly monitoring Axial's every twitch. Earlier this summer, the volcano really began to flex its muscles. Over 2,000 earthquakes were recorded in just one day on the seamount. Since then, while the daily number of quakes has dropped, hundreds are still happening each day. It's this relentless seismic activity, combined with the swollen ocean floor, that has scientists convinced an eruption is just around the corner. And this is the part most people miss. What does all this activity actually mean for us on land? Recent blog updates from Oregon State's College of Earth, Ocean, and Atmospheric Sciences admit a critical truth. Despite all this data, scientists still don't know exactly what will trigger the eruption or when it will happen. Now, some might worry about dramatic disasters or tsunamis, but here's the surprising twist. Chadwick and his colleagues assure us that even when Axial does erupt underwater, it won't explode with the force people imagine. Unlike the volcanic eruptions that create headlines and wreak havoc on nearby cities, this one probably won't send huge waves towards the west coast or put anyone living there at risk. Why? Because the volcano's eruptions are more similar to those in places like Hawaii and Iceland, steady, with very fluid lava that seeps out, rather than blasts apart. Once the hot lava meets the cold sea, it's quickly encased in a crust, forming new rock almost instantly. The downside? Any seafloor creatures unfortunate enough to be in the lava's path could be wiped out, buried beneath the new layer of stone. But animals like whales, which swim much nearer to the surface, are unlikely to notice a thing. But here's the question that hangs in the air and could spark some debate. Should we be paying more attention to these hidden volcanic giants? Do undersea eruptions matter for our future, or are they just a spectacle for scientists and deep-sea explorers? Share your thoughts below. Could this be the next big natural event to capture the world's attention? Or is it destined to remain an underwater secret?